Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas in Avatar World. First, ensure your game is fully updated to access all new holiday content. Next, keep an eye out for special seasonal events that typically run for about 3 to 4 weeks. These events often introduce unique quests and items. Don't forget to visit the in-game shop, which usually features dozens of new festive decorations and cheerful outfits for your avatar. Once updated, dive into the game and explore the main city square, which transforms with beautiful holiday decorations. You might discover entirely new areas or minimaps specifically designed for the festive season, often featuring unique challenges. Keep your eyes peeled for hidden gifts scattered across the world. Finding all 10 can unlock a special reward. Also, interact with non-player characters for unique holiday dialogues and quests. To truly immerse yourself, focus on earning festive rewards. Complete daily quests, which often provide special holiday currency or exclusive items, like one of 5 unique festive hats. Participate in various minigames that pop up during the season. These are excellent for acquiring rare Christmas-themed accessories. You can also engage with the community by trading items with other players to complete your collection of holiday gear. Finally, personalize your avatar world experience with festive customization. Dress your avatar in cheerful holiday outfits, choosing from dozens of new tops, bottoms, and accessories. Don't forget to decorate your in-game home with festive furniture, like a grand Christmas tree and twinkling lights. Share your unique holiday creations with friends and the wider community to spread the festive cheer throughout the game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.